I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at the Step 2 Kids playset, which I've got here in my front yard. And this is really awesome if you've got little kids, and it really is for the littlest ones. I would say probably up to maybe age 3 or 4. You know, maybe a 5-year-old could still find fun things to do with this, but it really is for small kids, which is great. You know, it's a really nice toy for them at that age. Pretty easy to put together. It's these big, chunky, sort of hollow plastic pieces that snap together pretty readily. And you can see there's a couple different pieces to it. So there's almost like a little climbing wall thing you've got on the back here where they can climb up, little footholds and handholds on here. Nice areas to grip and hold on, which is great. Obviously supervise them as they're using it, of course. As they make it to the top, then there's a little slide down the front here, and you can imagine this is super fun for the little kids, and they're going to do this over and over again with climbing up and then sliding down. Another really cool feature on here is that they've got this basketball hoop, and it's a little bit tall for a small kid to dunk on, but they can try to throw balls into it. Another popular pastime, at least in our house, is to climb up here and then drop the balls over the top through that. There's no actual net on it. It's just sort of a pretend net, which I think is great because then you don't have to worry about them getting tangled up or anything on there. So the basketball hoop is a really nice additional feature. And then there's a little space underneath. They can climb under here and be able to access that. We've got these little fun things with this sort of tactile element. No electronics or anything, which is good, I think, to have this just be something they can play with. It's like not an iPad or a tablet. And overall, yeah, super fun. I like to put it on a pretty padded surface. You could use this indoors, but I would use it on a carpeted surface or something where if they were to fall, you'd have a bit more protection. And then I definitely supervise them, especially the littlest, 2-year-olds and things playing on this. It's not super tall, but, still obviously you want to be safe with it. Again, climbing up, sliding down the slide, probably the most popular thing here in our house with this one.